Alright guys, we're outside now. We're here next to our Z06. We got the Wild, that's it, detailer. I want to show you how great this stuff works. Stuff's amazing. You can, if you're out in the Florida or Arizona and it's really, really hot, you can use this stuff in temperatures over 100 degrees. We don't have that quite that hot here today, but it still works great. And like any detailer, just spray it on. As you can see, there's tons of water spots on here. We just did a real quick walk. We really want to show you how great this stuff works. Got any stubborn spots, just hit them again. May need a little bit of soak. This hood's nice and hot. Drove it into town, got the car washed. So it's been running here, it's got some heat in here. I can definitely feel the heat through the rag. It's not doing anything here to the detailer. Looks like we got a little bug spot there. Look, wipes right off. Clean as can be. This stuff is great. We've used this stuff on our own personal cars here at the shop, and we are all super impressed and happy with how this stuff works. Alright guys, now we got the bottom of our competitors' stuff here. This stuff's really expensive, but it's pretty popular here, so we'll see how it compares to the WoW, that's it. Spray a nice heavy coat on here. I can tell you this much, you can't do this stuff in 100-degree weather. Alright. Wiping it down. Doesn't seem to do too bad a job. Doesn't seem to work as quick as the other stuff. It'll work a lot more at getting those water spots out. Yeah, we need some more here. Feel this stuff's starting to evaporate really quick here just with just the engine heat. It's only 75-80 degrees out here today, and just the engine heat in here is stuff just evaporates off so fast you can't keep up with it. Oh man, this is crazy. Look at this. Oh. Man, all these streaks on here too. Wiping, still wiping on. We got a bug spot there. Yeah, it's on. Yeah, it's not coming off. Okay, after you got your detailer done, and we get to the spray liquid wax. Works real great. Again, works up to really high temperatures, 100 some degrees, so you can do it with your car hot, the air is hot. Just spray it on. I can see this stuff here, it's almost like a wax. It's really like more like a wax than it is just a spray. It's on here. Alright guys, finish up the hood. Like I said, this stuff works really nice. The spray, it's more like a liquid wax than like your detailer is really thick. So you can treat it like an actual wax there and just spray it out a little bit there, wipe it on, wipe it off. Only took a little bit longer than a detailer, but you would expect that. Like I said, this stuff worked great. You know, the engine's still warm. and it didn't have any problem with drying. It cleaned up real fast, real easy. I love this stuff.